Eastern PA Weather Authority Meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, September 17th and 18th, 2016. For your Saturday, we're expecting partly cloudy skies today, mostly sunny farther east, and we have a high pressure still in influence and control of the weather, so we are expecting a pleasant day today. Temperatures will be a degree or two warmer than they were on Friday. But still a wind coming in from the south, so not particularly strong. This cold front to our west is actually going to, we think, move in during the day on Sunday. So I do think most of the day here on Saturday will end up being dry. Moving forward from this point, though, this front moves eastward, and you can see this is now looking at early Sunday morning. This is not a lot of precipitation with this during the day that we're expecting on Sunday. So will be just a light rain, light showery type rain here on Sunday. Not a total buzzkill here, and I think areas further south and east will take a while to get into that. You'll be just cloudy in the morning, and then in the afternoon, you'll get into some of those showers moving through. And you can see that here, just really light and scattered. But then when we get in the overnight, you might have some enhancement from a second round coming through with some upsloping winds parallel to the front that might give us an extra burst of rain, and that comes in the overnight period. You can see that here, and that lasts into Monday morning. So I think your heaviest period of rain, or steadiest, would be anytime from Sunday evening, late Sunday evening, through Monday morning. And then this front is going to move out of here, we think, during the afternoon hours, and it's going to improve from northwest to southeast. And you actually could get some partial clearing further in the interior, but I think further south and east, you probably hold on those clouds most, if not all, of the day on Monday. Let's go over to the NAM real quick and show you what that's doing. Here's a look at Sunday morning. This is a little more aggressive further southeast with this precipitation. It looks like a lot of rain here. The reflectivity on the NAM is a little bit overdone here, and it usually is. But this is just just basically showers at this point. Moving forward, we had those showers during the day. Here's Sunday afternoon. And then here's Sunday evening, and then you might have a break in between here. And then you get a second round here starting to develop, and this is in the overnight period. This is late evening through the overnight period into Monday morning. And you can see some heavier rain, a heavier concentration of rain. It has the same idea as the global models here, that the heaviest rain falls during that period. So not really paying attention to the amounts so much because they're probably overdone considering it is the NAM, but it has the same idea of the front moving out of here in the afternoon, and then partial clearing occurring, especially for the interior, from northwest to southeast that day. So it has the same idea with the timing as the global, so it's just a little bit off of the precipitation. So given that, here's the NAM. It's just showing this. So don't pay attention to the amounts here. This is considerably overdone, showing 2 to 3 inches of rain here in this corridor here. But I think that area is the area that could receive the heaviest rains out of this. But I think you're probably closer to an inch, maybe some locally higher amounts than an inch. But generally, 3/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain over a large area, and then somewhere in our coverage area, especially in the interior with those upsloping winds, we'll get some more rain. It could be an inch and a quarter, something like that. Wouldn't be surprised to see that at all, but not 2 to 3 inches, unfortunately. Although we do need it. We certainly do need it, but looks like if you had any plans on Sunday, if they're outdoors, it's going to be a cloudy, dreary, just showery kind of day. And but not a total buzzkill with heavy rain. I think it holds off the night. That's the idea. Then we get into Tuesday here. We're going to have a weak front to our northwest. This is going to die out, not have any precipitation with it by the time it gets through our area. But it does come through in the overnight period. Has high pressure behind it. This is we're going to still be warm here on Tuesday, but once this high pressure moves in for Wednesday, we're going to have winds coming back in from the northwest again. So Wednesday will drop a couple degrees, but nothing too cool, kind of like it was on Friday. Nothing spectacular as far as temperature drop here. That high pressure will move eastward and off the eastern seaboard by the time we get to Thursday. So then we're going to be talking about temperatures that are increasing. There's a frontal boundary that's going to be staying off to our north. A ridge is going to be building in here as this high becomes established late in the week. From Thursday onward, we're going to have a return flow in from the southwest. That means temperatures are going to be in the 85 degree to 90 degree range Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it looks like next week, before the next cold front arrives on Sunday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for the weekend, September 17th and 18th, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.